Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset your Redmi A3. So what you want to do, you want to power off the device. If you have password and you can't power off your device, then you want to hold the volume down, the power button, and then when the device is off, you want to hold the volume up and the power button, just like how I'm going to show you. So once the device is off, you hold the volume down, power button, so ensure that you hold the volume up, then you release the power button, keep holding the volume up. Right, so when you hit this no command screen, this is what you want to do. You want to hold the volume up, power button. You want to press them the same time. You want to press, also you want to try pressing the three buttons the same time. Just like that. And then you want to wipe data factory reset here. Use the power button to select. You can see that the device is wiping the data, formatting the data, and it says wipe completed. And now when you look, you will see that it is finished. We can go and we can reboot the device now, and the reset is completed. The phone will now set up as when you just got the device brand new. If you do have a Gmail account inside the phone, it may ask you to re-enter the Gmail account, or sometimes it may ask you to re-enter the previous password that you had on the device. So it's booting up for the first time. guys, you don't want to panic. uh, it's a process, and you need to do this when you do have good battery power, or it can mess your phone up. So just a few more minutes. So that actually took a long time, right? So the battery is low, it's at 20%. I advise you to do this when your battery is on at least 30% or even higher if possible. So just like when you got the phone brand new, that's all we need to do. Set up offline. And basically, this is how we reset the Redmi A3. If this video was helpful, guys, you can let me know in the comment section below. So this is a full reset and set up. so so guys, the setup is completed and we are good to go. We are good to go. So if you're new to my channel guys, if this was helpful, let me know in the comment section below.